Breaking Balls with Abby Pinay. Breaking balls, breaking barriers, breaking walls. Let's talk, let's learn, and find better ways. Lahat ng bagay ay may sagot at may paraan, at dapat better with Abby Pinay. Edukasyon, turismo, kalusugan, climate change, local governance, sports, batas at pamilya. Breaking Balls with Abby Binay.
Mga usapang may tinuturo, matututunan.
Breaking Balls with Abby Binay.
So today we are joined by two more guests. Our earlier episode was with Lex Librea, and sabi ko nga kanina, nung isang beses, ang susunod na episode natin ay syempre kailangan may kasama ng Miss You.
Oh, yeah.
Ako yun, hindi, joke. Ang kasama natin ngayon, si Atisa Manalo.
Hello.
Hi, Sir Lex.
Si
What's your next?
Sir Lex talaga.
Ano?
Grabe, Sir Lex.
Okay.
Okay, so mahaba yung episode with Lex regarding beauty pageants, yung
Yeah.
a backgrounder on beauty pageants. So now we will talk about you.
Me? Oh no, again?
Okay, ikaw ba, bata pa lang gusto mo na maging, sumasali ka na ng beauty, ano yung unang-unang beauty pageant na sinalihan mo?
Unang beauty pageant na sinalihan ko. Wait, what constitutes a beauty pageant? Kasi nag-Miss United Nations ako before. Kasali ba yun?
Sa school?
Mm-mm.
O yun, kasama yun. Anong
Parang kinder ako noon.
Oh my
God.
God!
Oo. Pero hindi naman siya labanan. Nakasash lang ako, Miss Venezuela.
Ay, ikaw na!
You have to pretend that you're from...
Oo nga eh!
Oo, namin yung picture nun. Tapos, pero yung first na pageant na may laban talaga, yung may Q&A, yung may model, ganyan. 2008. Little Miss Inverga, 2008. 10 years old ako noon.
Sa Quezon!
Yes!
Oh my God! Sa mga Inverga.
Yes.
Friend ko yan si Mark.
Mm-mm.
Oh. So doon ka lumaki?
Doon ako lumaki.
Sa Quezon ka talaga lumaki?
Sa Candelaria.
Batang puti mo.
Ay, nga tayo.
Hindi kasi di ba may sa probinsya? Bakit ba? Di ba?
Oo nga.
Mag-aarawan ka? Bakit nakasunblock ka ba? Di ba? Kung nakatira ka sa probinsya. Bakit kayo tumatawa? Gusto naman eh. Bakit ang puti niya eh? Oh.
Hindi ako lumalabas ng bahay. Bawal ako lumabas ng bahay.
Bawal ka lang ba sa bahay?
Bawal ka lumabas-
Strict mommy ko, super.
Ikaw ang pinakamatangkad sa
Oo.
Quezon?
Kaya hindi ako pwedeng magka-crush nun kasi maliliit lahat ng lalaki.
Maliliit yung mga maliligo. Nagkaroon ka naman ng maliligo sa Quezon?
Hindi. Bawal din akong ligawan dati.
Ay!
Grabe.
Super strict
Oh.
mommy ko.
So, paano ka napunta sa Maynila?
Pumunta ako ng Manila nung lumaban ako ng Binibining Pilipinas. 2018.
Yes, that was a very memorable binibini.
That's the only time na mauwi ka ng Manila?
Mm-mm.
From Quezon?
Yes.
2018?
Dahil taga Quezon talaga ako. Mm-mm.
But you were also at Reyna ng Aliwan, right?
I did. Reyna
Aliwan.
ng Aliwan.
Mm.
Mm-mm. Pero,
Yun.
It was yung mga festival queens.
Okay.
What
Reyna ng
festival do
Aliwan?
you-
I represented Nyugyugan Festival.
In
So
Quezon.
every you know how every town or
Yeah.
province in the Philippines have a festival.
Correct.
Like Sinulog. For Quezon, it's
Yung nyog.
Nyugyugan.
Mm.
And then all of the beauty queens from those festivals represent their town or province in Reyna ng Aliwan. So it's in Aliwan Fiesta. It's in Star City area. And then
Kasi
parade.
aliw. Kasi
Yes,
Yes.
oo nga, no?
Oh, nagets ko yun ha.
Makes sense.
Oh, nagets ko yun ha. Oh.
Mm.
Okay. Talagang probinsya ka lumaki.
Yes.
Mm-mm.
Malaking probinsya
Okay,
talaga ako.
sabi sa nag-research, totoo ba? Gusto mo maging police?
Wow,
Ganyan yung reaction mo. Bakit?
Hindi kasi parang from beauty pageants, di ba?
Ay, parang real life miscongeniality.
Ay, actually, dream ko yun.
Dapat naging police.
Hindi naman ako naging police. Pero nung,
Bakit mo gusto maging police?
kasi lumaki ako, mga tito ko po, lolo ko, sundalo at police. So, napaligiran ako ng mga tao na nasa
Nasa law
service
enfor-
na yun.
nasa law
enforcement.
Tapos, ang sabi ko noon, baka I can follow their steps kasi lumaki ako, tomboy-tomboy ako, hindi ako very babae, yung laki ko.
Talaga?
'Di ba? Well, you can
Kasi
learn
nga
it.
matangkad nga siya.
Oo.
At siguro yung mga lalaki, pag ayoko yan, tangkad, mas tangkad sa akin.
Oo, okay lang,
Oo.
deterrence, mas okay.
Oo nga.
So, ano sinabi ng mami mo? Ano sinabi mo?
Ayaw ng family ko. Mag-PPNPA dapat ako noon. Nag-apply na ako after high school,
So, for
nag-send
real?
ako ng
Oh.
nag-send ako ng application. Tapos nung nalaman nila, sabi nila hindi mo gagawin 'yun.
Oo
Eh
nga.
wala naman ako magawa
Sayang.
kasi bata pa ako noon.
Imagine nyo kung ito yung maghuhuli sa inyo, di ba sasabihin nyo, cuff me na.
Parang na-realize ko di pala ako pwede maging police. Hindi ko kaya sumunod sa rules. Yung sasabihan ako na ito gawin mo, ay hindi ko kaya. Sabihin ko, bakit? Ba't ko gagawin yan?
Ay,
Hindi ko pala kaya maging police. Na-realize ko ngayon na matanda na ako.
belatedly. Pumunta ka ng Manila to join Binibini 2018.
2018.
Okay, and then after nun, sumunod na yung mga ibang pageants na sinalihan mo.
2018 yung Binibining Pilipinas ko. After nun, next na sinalihan ko, 2024 na.
Anong ginawa mo in between?
In between, I modeled here in Manila, yun yung work ko, and then I built up a food and beverage company. And I used to handle our finance of the company and a bit of operations and HR kasi pag simula kayo, pag bago kayo, you handle everything. So we had a few brands before, but in 2022 or 2023, I left the company. And then that's when I went back to pageantry.
So, So, may brains and
Yes.
beauty. Nakakainis. Matas matangkad pa, tas maputi.
Yeah.
Ganon. Bakit nung nagpaulan ba ng biyaya si God? Sinampot mo lahat?
In front of the light.
Diba?
Nagising ako ng maaga.
Kaya yung payong niya nakabaligtad.
Nakabalik.
Diba?
Hindi, may payong, planggana, timba, lahat.
So, bakit sabi nila you are the epitome of resilience. Kasi nakailang sali ka. Kahit na sumali ka ng contest tas hindi ka nanalo, sabi, babalik ako. Di ba? What made you decide? Ano yung driving force? Kasi sabi, hindi, okay na ako. Okay na ako nung nakakuha ako ng runner-up. Okay na ako. I don't have to win the crown. Ano yung mindset mo na sinabi mo sa sarili mo, hindi, I wanna try and I wanna try.
Nung una kong sali, Binibining Pilipinas, 20 years old ako noon,
Yeah.
I got Miss
Oh,
International.
yes. Oo nga.
Which the titles back then, when they would rank it, there's actually no ranking. But of course,
They will set
everyone,
who they deem best for
yes.
for
And
whatever
then
pageant.
I got Miss International. I competed in Japan. I thought I was done competing because dati, kapag nagbinibining
Pinala ka na
Pilipinas
eh.
ka, o pag nanalo ka na ng title, which was international, hindi ka na pwedeng sumali ulit
Yeah.
kasi magkakasama dati nun yung title. So, akala ko tapos na ako. And then, nahiwalay yung franchise, nagawa ng Miss Universe Philippines. So, sabi ko, my dream is still alive.
Yeah. Oh.
Hindi naman ako, if it's there, if it's possible for me to achieve something, why wouldn't I try?
Tama.
So you joined. Anong year yun?
2024.
2024, you joined. You did not win.
I did not win. I got Miss Cosmo.
And then, you joined again.
I joined 2025, yes.
So, nung 2025, nanalo ka na. How did it feel when you were representing the country na?
Oo nga. That's
Diba?
what
Ano yung feeling? Di ba kumakain ka ba? Natutulog ka ba?
yeah.
Yung stress levels? Kasi parang na-imagine lang namin na, yung alam mo yun, yung sasabihin mo, baka ma-blackout ako, hindi ako makasagot.
Parang,
Madapa ako, mawala yung
and in
sapatos
reality,
mo.
nadapa siya sa MUPH.
Ng Miss Universe
Oh,
Philippines.
yun yung, di ba yun yung mga
Worst nightmare.
for
Yeah.
you and you have to come back. Diba? Oo. So, how did it feel when you were, grabe, pang beauty pageant na naman yung tanong eh. Nung nandun ka na sa, ano ang country?
Sa Thailand.
Sa Thailand. Oo, tama, Thailand.
Doon ako
Di ba-
nag-compete.
Di ba yung may nahulog?
Yes, si
Oo.
Mr. Jamaica.
Kawawa.
Na she still reportedly she's
Pero I think she needs
she's
support,
still trying
no?
to recover
Yeah,
pa
di
rin.
pa rin siya fully
I don't know,
recovered,
Yun yung
oh.
last na narinig ko.
Yeah.
So, very controversial yung last year.
Okay.
Diba? Oh, let's not go there.
Let's not go there.
Pero ang ano natin is, ano yung experience mo when you were in Thailand? Ikaw ha,
Mm-mm.
not talking about your fans, not talking
Mm.
about your family. Yung stress levels mo, nakakatulog ka ba? Kumakain ka pa ba? Kasi it's also mental. Kasi
It
nagawa
is.
mo na lahat eh.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Nag-prepare ka na.
Mm-mm.
Yung mental preparedness, minsan, dun nagkakaroon
True.
ng,
Dun
nagkakatalo.
Mm-mm.
Anong nag-mental calisthenics ka ba? Nag-yoga ka ba? Anong ginagawa mo?
A lot of what I think when you compete in anything, a lot of it is won during your preparation.
Yes.
And I made sure that during my preparation, everything is set. Na pagdating ko doon, I'm just there to be present in whatever
Gawa
we're
na.
doing. Mm-mm. Tapos,
Plakado na lahat.
yes, nung time na yon, makukulangan ka talaga sa tulog. Kasi, kulang ka talaga sa tulog kasi everyday, may activity kayo.
Mhm.
And every day, maaga call time nyo, late na kayo matatapos, nagta-travel kayo in between provinces, and then you have to do your own hair and makeup. So, your own hair and makeup for me, it takes 3 hours to do. So, if my call time is 6 a.m., I have to be up by 3 a.m. to do my own hair and makeup.
Yay.
And then say, we finished at, say, 10 p.m. last night. Syempre, pagkatapos mo ng event, mag-a-unpack ka pa, ready mo yung susuotin mo.
For
Kasi
next
wala
day.
kang kasama eh. Ikaw lang
Ikaw
mag-isa
lang.
doon.
Mm.
So, paplantsahin mo yung susuotin mo,
Oh my God.
magtatanggal ka ng makeup mo, maliligo ka. Syempre, gusto mo ding huminga at kumain.
Oh.
So,
Yeah.
you really get, it's a physical game.
Yeah.
Apart from, a big part of it is the mental game
The mental
of
game, yeah.
not letting anything get through you. Kasi, when you're Miss Philippines, everyone's watching you.
Yeah.
The fans
The-
are
The power of the
power
sash.
of the sash. Like, people are watching you every
Mhm.
move you make, and they always have comments.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yes.
may it be bad or good, they always have comments, and it's up to you to make sure that alam mo kung ano yung comment na tatagos sa'yo. And of
Yeah.
course, sometimes you're just a person also na minsan, halimbawa, pagod ka na, gutom ka na, tas may comment na masama. Syempre,
True.
dadamdamin mo yun.
Oo.
But that's big part of how it was. And for me, it was making sure na I just enjoy. Kasi nagawa ko na everything I need to do eh.
Yeah. If you wouldn't mind me asking though, but feel
Mm.
free to not answer this,
Mm.
okay? If you feel na it's a bit personal. Were there ba a point na merong mga fellow contestants who
Yeah, yeah.
were
I was gonna-
breaking down
Yeah, yeah,
na,
yeah.
na parang ayoko na, I wanna leave,
Sige,
parang ganun.
ako ibang question. Sige, tanong mo,
Oo.
isagot mo na yan. So, may mga contestants ba na wanted to quit?
Mhm. Did you...
Nakita? May
From
nakita
my
ka?
observation, definitely there were different levels of expectations from
Yeah,
each girl.
Okay.
Because each girl is trained differently. Some
Yes.
of us are not actually trained as well as we're being trained here in the Philippines.
Yes.
So some didn't know what to expect.
Talaga?
Yeah. I guess it stems from the culture, the pageant
Also,
culture ng
yeah.
country.
Oo.
Yes.
Kung,
Yeah.
kung bagong-bago pa lang yung kultura ng pageant sa...
Oo.
Mm.
Or
country
if they
nila.
have a non-existent pageant culture, which I believe in some countries.
Pero totoo
in
ba
the
na
world,
yung iba nga contestants, tinitrain na ng mga Pilipino
dito na sila
na
pumupunta,
yung sa
yes.
walk and yung...
Yes.
Everything.
Oh, di ba?
Dito na sila kumukuha
Ganun
ng
na tayo
outfit.
ka-professional.
Yes.
Yeah.
They
Oh.
outsource their training to us
Oh,
na.
biro
Yeah.
mo yun? Oh, so meron. Meron ka nakita. Depends on the level of expectation sa country.
There are definitely different levels of expectations.
Okay, so ang aking question ay, meron bang, hindi naman ikaw, hindi ko sasabi ikaw, pero meron ka bang narinig na instance na may nananabotahe?
Like
Na-
naninira ng zipper ng gown.
Oh, yung nga, nawawala yung sapatos.
Nagtatago ng damit.
Okay, nagtatago ng damit. Or bibigyan ng lason.
Grabe naman yung
Kaya-
class.
Di ba lason? Oh. Hindi, or yung yung na, kumbaga sa the competition, did you sense, I'm not saying sabotahe, but did you sense that every woman for herself? Parang ganun, parang bala ka sa buhay mo. Kasi this is a contest. Parang ganon.
Actually, I'm very lucky that I didn't get any of that treatment. Maybe because I see, okay, it's a competition. I know that. But for me, it's a competition where we're on stage. Right here, we're
We're
just
friends.
people trying to
Yeah.
achieve our dreams. So it helps to be, amiable, friendly,
Yeah.
and
Mm.
not thinking na, ano to, competition ba to? Na parang, bakit ka nandyan?
Ah, ah.
It's actually rare.
Pero may ganon.
There are girls like that.
Oh.
There are girls
Okay,
like that.
Mamaya mo
But
sabihin kung anong country. Off-cam na. Off-cam
Yes,
na.
but
Maganda ba siya?
it's more, lahat yun maganda.
Sa
Miss
bagay.
Universe ng
Okay. Oh,
Miss
maganda.
Universe ng bawat
Maganda
lugar
pero hindi
nila.
naman maganda ugali. Oh.
But that's
diba?
also cultural.
Oh.
Because what's nice to us can be different from what's nice from people who are in Europe.
Actually, I read
Tama.
somewhere
Ah.
that this was in the early 2000s. There was this one girl. I'm not gonna name names because again, this is not proven. No, parang pwedeng hearsay lang to or everything.
Chismis.
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 Reportedly na she said, you better go because I'm winning.
Ay,
Parang gumanon. May mga
Sorry.
ganire.
Ganon.
Off-cam ko na lang sasabihin kung
Nanalo
ano
ba
nangyari.
siya?
Pwede off-cam na.
Ay, parang ang dami mga juicy.
Juicy,
Juicy na mga kwento,
Yun yung reported na chismis. Again, it's chismis.
So, you won third runner-up. So, pwede
Mm.
ka bang tumakbo ulit?
Ng Miss Universe. Hindi na pwede yun. Ng alam ko.
Actually, hindi ko matanggap yung third runner-up na yun. Hanggang ngayon, sorry, hindi ako makamove on.
Marami
hindi makamove
nakatanggap
on.
kung bakit
Actually,
ganun
I was,
nangyari.
that day, I was video chatting with a friend of mine from the Netherlands. We were watching together.
Mm.
So, as the competition drew to a close, sabi namin, ito yung top 5 ko. So, I'm gonna name them na. Ikaw, definitely. Si Thailand.
Ay, ba't may face?
Si Thailand, Venezuela, which has been one of my favorites since she won Miss Venezuela. Of course, Cote d'Ivoire. And Miss Guadeloupe.
Yung Cote d'Ivoire.
Oo. Akala talaga namin. Then biglang nung may pumasok na. Yun. Nung may pumasok lahat kami, okay, kaya na yan. Atisa na yan. Then nung in-announce, the fourth runner-up is Cote d'Ivoire. Ha? Biglang nung si Atisa, oh my God, anong nangyayari? Baliktad ba? Yun. Oo.
Anong feeling?
I was disappointed. But, again, life goes on.
True.
Ano naman magagawa ko, di ba? Ano naman magbagwala ako doon.
Gusto mo umiyak? I mean, how do you keep composure when you're disappointed?
Your whole job is to keep composure
Yeah.
as a beauty queen.
Tama.
Ay, pag beauty pageant, ang mga sagot.
Di ba, totoo yun? Like, imagine speaking on stage
Oh.
and people are gonna base your intelligence based off on a 30-second answer of one question.
Exactly. Diba?
You have to be composed.
And you will go down in history.
Yes.
Kapag mali yung grammar mo,
Yeah.
mali yung sinagot mo, di ba?
Everything rests on that,
That 30 seconds.
even though sinasabi naman nila na what they're gonna judge is the overall. So kasama yung mga pre-pageant at saka yung how they perform. Kasi nga syempre, of course, they perform very well dahil umabot
pero
na
yun
sila
yung
doon.
judge. Ito, buong mundo.
Yes.
Gahan
Oo.
ka, diba?
Yeah.
True.
Oh. Yun yung mahirap. Kung sa 30 seconds, parang sa'yo mo,
Yes. Baka mag-AEO pa doon.
Oh my gosh.
And sorry. And I believe nangyari na yun. May mga nangyayari talagang gano'n. Na
Yeah,
talagang
there's a lot of pressure.
Na-stomp talaga.
There's a lot of pressure when you're there. Imagine like you're speaking in front of thousands of people and
Yeah.
then lahat sila nakatingin sa'yo. Some of them waiting for you to say the wrong thing.
Actually,
Agree.
diba, that somewhat happened to you in Binibini, diba? There was this
Ah,
momentary
yeah.
lapse. I was there. I was there nung gabi na yon.
Naalala pa? Oo.
There was this momentary lapse. Parang it was a millisecond. Biglang pok. Naalala everything. Biglang, basta parang she lost her train of thought. Biglang naibalik niya to close it with a knockout punch.
Taray.
Oo. Na ang kasalanan niya lang nun talaga is kasi dahil nagkasabay sila ni Catriona Gray that year.
Diba?
Oo.
Paano mo naman yun? Kaya kasi sabi namin, swertihan din eh.
Tama.
Kung
Kung sino
yung
kasabay mo.
True.
That's why it's when I believe when it's for you, it's for you.
Yeah.
And I think that also did help her in a great big way because that when she competed in a very, very competitive batch.
Agree. Agree.
It was a very competitive binibini talaga.
Kumbaga sa mas deserve, mas maganda naman matatalo ka sa mas magaling naman
Ay,
talaga.
oo naman. Oo.
Sa'yo, kesa naman dun sa...
Masaklap na nga pag natalo ka nga.
Kasi
Alam natin na
naman.
mas magaling ka pero medyo questionable. Pero,
Tama na. Mamaya na yan, ha? So if you're enjoying our episode, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Breaking Balls with Abby Binay. Madami pa tayong chismis, ha? So, hindi natin tatanungin ang mga bet nyo. Wag na muna, ha? Pwede. Bawal yun. Lumalabas ka ba ng bahay nang hindi naka-makeup?
Oo.
Pero hindi ba ang hirap? Kasi di ba, you're supposed to be do you feel that sometimes you just wanna go out with
Yes.
your friends.
Yes.
hindi plain and ano,
Mm-mm.
parang,
Pangit.
pangit.
Mm-mm.
Hindi naman.
Gusto ko na yung parang lumabas. Parang I want the freedom to be pangit. Pero,
Actually, you're not the first one. I remember I was watching this episode of, there was this used to be,
Ang gulo ng mga ano mo, freedom to be
Oo
pangit.
nga.
Ang gulo.
hindi totoo yun.
I remember watching, there was a former Miss Venezuela who has since passed. It
But
was,
imagine mo nga yun, paano ka yung there's an expectation na sexy ka, lalaki ka na kaayos,
True.
diba? Na parang, I didn't wake up like this every day.
Exactly.
True.
Diba? Feeling mo pressure na yun.
exactly.
Nung minsan nga, lumabas, may pinuntahan akong area. So, wala akong makeup, wala akong kahit ano, sa pambahay ako. Tapos, bumibili ako ng
Ano naman ang description ng pambahay
ng
mo?
cat food.
Duster, ano?
Duster. May duster na parang, well, hindi naman siya super duster. Kasi alam ko lalabas
strap.
ako. May dress siya na ganyan. Tapos, parang flowy.
Okay.
Ano,
Tapos
parang
wala akong
kaftan?
makeup. Tapos paglabas ko, bumibili akong cat food. Sabi sa akin, may nagsabi na, narinig ko bulong-bulong, sabi yan yung Miss Universe. Sabi nung isang ate, yan ba yung Miss Universe? Ba't ganyan ang itsura niya? Sabi ko,
Kasi bibili lang ako ng pagkain ng pusa. No?
sabi ko, oo nga. Wala akong freedom maging pangit. Kasi expect nila na, dapat yung itsura mo na
Laging
nakoronahan ka. Ganun lagi yung itsura mo.
Yeah, I think that's the,
And
yung
that is your
drawback.
curse.
Yes.
That is yun ang
Yes.
curse mo for winning.
True. Actually, yung sinasabi niya nga, kasi ayun nga, yung I want to share, I was watching this episode of Globe Tracker when the host was in Venezuela. So naturally, nakipag-meet siya with the current Miss Venezuela that year who sadly died in 2011. Kwento niya was, oh my God, my days are ganito talaga ako for like 5 out of the 6 days, and on my weekends, that's when magulo yung buhok ko, wala akong makeup and everything.
Imagine, diba?
Oo. Parang
Pero ang hirap nun kasi.
ang hirap for
Hindi
them.
naman siya kagaya ng pag natapos na yung pageant, tapos na.
No, it's a
Ito,
continuous
ano na to, lifestyle na eh.
True.
It's not something you can turn off
Exactly.
and turn off and on.
Oo. And even if siguro like even if siguro you opted to have a private life na you wanna get out of the limelight, and at the end of the day andiyan ka pa rin na
May expectation pa rin. na
former
kailangan-
binibini, former ganito.
Agree.
Mm-mm.
I'm sure yung iba, may gusto ko ng freedom na maging maganda.
Oo. Or yung iba siguro ang gusto lang nila is, gusto ko lang tumaba. Parang ganon,
Diba?
di ba? Oo.
Gusto ko freedom na maging mataba.
Oo.
O, diba?
Kaya pa masaklap minsan maririnig natin, siya yan, ba't ang taba? Ano ba yan?
May
Parang
ganon.
ganun.
May
Yun
ganon
nga,
lagi.
kasi mas prone siya to criticism. eh.
Yeah.
Dahil nga may expectation.
Yes.
Yes.
I think the term there is they're put on a pedestal.
Yeah.
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 Mm-mm.
So kahit na iba na yung maging Miss You,
Mm-mm.
hindi ka pa rin, wala ka pa rin freedom.
Kaya nga eh. Bago na ako ng pangalan. Babago na ako ng identity.
Okay, speaking of pangalan, kasi pinag-usapan namin dun sa unang episode,
Yeah.
na usually yung mga contestants or mga nananalo ng Miss You are not yung meron silang foreign, somehow may foreign,
A foreign
may
extraction.
foreign blood sila. So, your name is very strange. I mean, not strange, but not very, it's not a Filipino
Yeah.
name.
Not a common name.
Your last name is Filipino, but your first name is not.
Mhm.
O sige, kwento mo muna yung, saan nanggaling yung pangalan na yon?
Mm.
Does it mean anything? Or does it mean anything?
Yung pangalan ko came from my dad's name. My biological father's name is Akti. AHTI.
Okay.
AHTI. Oh, okay.
And then my mom took his name and used it for my name. She just added sa
Naging,
Ah,
naging,
Atisa.
naging female.
Naging
Oh,
feminine,
naging
yeah.
feminine.
And
And he is?
he is Finnish.
Oh, okay.
Mm-mm.
Oh.
Blue
He's
eyed.
done. He's blue eyes.
Oh.
Blue eyes, blonde.
Blonde.
6'4".
Oh.
So sa kanya mo nakuha yung ano?
Tangkad
yung
ko.
tangkad.
Well, my mom's side also, may matangkad din akong uncle sa side ng mommy ko.
Hmm.
Mhm.
Who's like 6'1".
Oh.
Okay.
So parang parehas na
Ay,
side.
paano nagkilala yung... Paano ka nabuo? Okay?
I think I know how, paano ako
You know what I mean? Paano nagkakilalang parents mo?
My mom worked in Israel
Ah.
back in the days.
In the days.
Really?
90s. Mm-mm.
As what?
She worked as a domestic helper.
Okay.
And
Israel.
also, she was a singer.
Ah.
So, kapag yung mga days off niya, singer siya sa...
May sideline.
Yes.
Hindi ka kumakanta. Kumakanta ka ba?
Hindi nga eh.
Ay.
Hindi nga. Akala ko nga genetic yun eh.
Hindi.
Hindi ko nakuha. Pero feeling ko pag tinrain ko,
Marami ka na
kaya
doon
ko.
kinuhang blessing. Pati ba naman ang
Pati ng
pagkanta?
pagkanta.
Kunin mo pa. Huwag naman na. Ha? Yung iba naman ibigay mo na sa iba, girl. Hello. Oh. So when you say, of course, when you say biological, that essentially says you have a non-biological father.
Yes.
So you were raised by, you have a stepdad. You
I
have a
do,
stepdad.
yes.
Okay. So lahat kayo nakatira sa Quezon.
Candelaria.
Mm-mm.
So you're the only one based in Manila now.
I am. Well, my little sister is now studying here in the city also.
Ah, okay.
When you say little sister, how little?
How
Di ba?
little?
Wala, lagi na siyang little for me kahit 18 na siya. Little na siya to me forever.
Nakuha ang tangkad nyo rin.
Sister ko, parang hindi nakuha ta sa mommy ko yung height niya.
At wala siyang planong
Sumunod.
sumunod.
Nag-try siya mag-pageants before. Pero she's more of a dancer.
Oh.
Siya competitive dancer.
Ah, that's nice.
Siya ba kumakanta?
Siya, meron nga siyang boses.
Oh,
Tsaka yung
ayun.
kapatid kong lalaki.
Para daw ba danse? Di ba? Sa kanila talent. Sa'yo ganda.
Uy, talent din naman ako.
Ano talent?
Ano? Reklamo.
Di naman.
Talent mo? Napaisip ako, talent. Talent mo siya. Meron ka bang talent?
Uy, marunong ako sumayaw. Kapag pag pinaglaanan ko ng panahon.
Ganon.
No, but I did see, di ba, during your intro, you were doing some baton twirlings.
Yeah. I used to be a majorette in school.
Ah, okay.
I can imagine you in front. Di ba ang tangkad niya?
Alright. So you were doing it with both hands? Yung, di ba, yung parang sa Miss
Sometimes,
Congeniality, yung-
sometimes two.
Pero wala namang apoy.
Ay, walang apo. Bawal. Bawal sa school.
Bawal. Okay.
Problema yun sa waiver kapag
Kasi
nag-apoy.
di ba sa Miss You, kailangan may talent?
Oo.
Wala nang ganon. Wala
Ay,
na
wala.
yun. Hindi na yun. That's not a thing.
Sa Miss World ang meron.
Miss World, yes.
Mm.
Sports,
Ba?
talent.
Yeah,
May talent, di ba?
Wala na.
Wala.
Swerte ko.
Kasi wala kang talent. Nakakatawa ka. Oh. So, do you still plan to come, are you gonna live a life here in Manila? Or do you plan to go back to...
It always feels different to be back home. So, for sure,
Tsaka malapit naman na. With the
Lalo na pag
tollway
na
and all.
Yung tray.
Super lapit na ng Quezon ngayon. I
Wow.
was there last year for the campaign. Yung meron na silang bypass from Batangas.
Oh.
Super lapit na. Ang lapit na ng from Rosario. Kapiraso na lang nasa Quezon ka na. Sobrang lapit na. So it's not
So,
that
hindi na siya
far.
forever.
Hindi na. So, wag daw natin tatanungin yung love life niya. Guys, wag niyo siya
sabi mo.
wag niyo siya pakialaman, ha? No 'yon. Wag niyo tatanungin ang love life niya kasi sa kanya wala kay pake.
Mhm.
Anong love life niya, ha? Boundaries, guys, 'di ba?
Yes.
Tanungin niyo na lang kung anong food niya, oo, kumakain siya. Mukha lang siyang hindi kumakain. Pero
Sabi
nakasabay,
mo ang hindi ko makain.
hindi kasi 'di ba, ang impression mo, 'di ba, to payat tapos
Oo.
pageant ano,
Mm.
lagi either vegetarian na, or keto, or
Mm.
whatever, 'di ba? I mean, for them to maintain that that
Yeah.
physique.
Yeah, yun nga, di ba, during the pageants, then, di ba, lalo na Thailand,
Mm.
the food and
Delicious.
everything, di ba? How do you, like,
Control.
di ba yun nga, how do you- like, yes, basically, like, do you even have time to work out? Or kayo na lang yung gumagawa ng paraan sa room nyo? Parang ganun.
You definitely don't have time to work out anymore. Kasi, well, in my case, yung konting oras na maiiwan para sa
Tinutulog mo
akin,
lang.
matutulog na lang ako.
Yeah.
Instead of working out. Tapos, you said, how do we control the food? I think it's different for everybody. Everyone has a different body, different
Oo.
metabolism.
Yeah, agree.
So, in my case, dahil kulang ako sa tulog, grumpy ako pag kulang ako sa tulog. So, binabawi ko siya sa kain. I need to have something. Hindi pwede na wala na akong tulog, wala pa akong kain. No, hindi
Oo.
pwede.
Tama naman.
Mas payat siya. Bakit ganun? Hindi
Pagod ka
makatarungan.
Pagod ka all the time. Dire-diretso.
Ako kasi I would rather sleep than eat. Kasi
Fair.
mas importante sa akin ang tulog.
Yes.
Mhm.
Nice
Kasi
of
otherwise
that.
magkakasakit ka,
Totoo.
bababa yung immune system mo.
True.
So,
Actually, like, yeah,
Tubig
sa
lang,
work
okay.
then, I need to have something there palagi na papapakin ko din.
diba? Oh, so, for the Miss You, who's doing your gown? Pwede ba i-announce?
Pwede ba i-announce?
Pwede ba sabihin kung sino gagawa ng gown mo sa coronation night? O sige, color na lang.
Mas hindi ko pa alam yung color. Surprise eh. The designer I spoke to.
Oh.
I've worked with this designer
Oh.
before.
So, hindi ba
Um,
nasabihin ko sino?
Oo, hindi
Ay,
pa.
okay, fine.
It's a surprise.
Surprise!
Surprise!
Ganon. Oh.
Surprise siya.
Oh.
Hindi ko pa rin sasabihin kahit tumitig ka sa akin.
Ako, surprise.
No, but then it's a farewell walk. Kumbaga, this is it. So,
It's
kumbaga,
my last
it's your last
farewell
one.
walk.
Wala
Oo.
na. Huli
Kayo.
na.
Talagang this is the farewell of the farewell.
The ultimate farewell.
The ultimate
Ah.
farewell. Oo.
So, how many contestants are joining the Miss You this year?
The
Every year
Philippines?
naman. Oh, sa Philippines.
Ilan ba-
I
ilan
don't
nga ba this
know.
year?
38? I could be very wrong.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, don't take that answer. I think I'm
30
wrong.
plus.
More than one for sure.
Mm.
Malamang, di ba? Oh. Pero maano ba? Hindi mo ba? So, you have not met any of the contestants?
I've met them. I was there during their press presentation.
Yeah, that was at City of Dreams. Right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
May ano ba? May... Of the 30, may mga... Madami-dami namang kailangan abangan.
Hindi naubusan ng magaganda ang Pilipinas.
Meron bang comebacking? Wala.
Parang madami.
There are
oo,
several.
madami.
There are several crossover
Ganon,
girls this
marami,
year.
ano,
Mhm.
maraming...
In fact, I already have my top 5, but I'm not gonna say.
Secret nga daw.
Then-
Saan gagawin ang Miss You ngayon?
MOA. MOA still.
Mo Arena.
Mm-mm.
Mhm.
On May 2nd.
May 2. So, abangan natin ang Miss You. May bet din ako. Ako isa lang. Ay!
Ay!
Kilala ko yung
Kilala ko yan!
Sorry, Bias. Sorry, ha? Kasi ano siya?
Yun na.
Yes.
Ha? In fairness, matalino talaga siya.
Mhm.
Kaya parang I look forward to working with her after the contest. Kasi she's very, very smart. Sana manalo?
Yeah.
Ayun.
Sino?
Ba't sabihin yung pangalan niya? Bias eh.
Off-cam na lang.
Marami pa tayong marami pa tayong pag-chismisan after,
Yeah.
off-cam. So, ano na panalunan mo? Pwede ba sabihin ko ano na palunan mo? Dito sa Philippines, yung Miss You.
Hindi ko nga alam eh. May NDA yata ako.
May NDA ba?
Alam ko bawal ko
Are you-
sabihin yun.
So, wait, you mean to say, in most pageants, they don't usually say what you
They
win?
don't say it anymore.
They don't say it
Diba
anymore.
before,
In
they
the
used
past,
to say
yeah,
it
there's
that
this...
the winner gets blah, blah, blah.
Blah.
This and that.
May ganun.
Ngayon,
A sash, a
parang
crown,
wala
and a
na.
ganyan-ganyan. Wala.
A sash, that's for sure. The crown is just lent to me.
Yeah. Mm.
That's it. I mean, okay. Pero pag
Yung
sumali
mga cash prize.
Pero pag sumali ka naman, sasabihin naman sa'yo kung ano yung mga pwede mong mapalanunan?
Other than the
Other than the-
employment,
other than the sash?
the cash, ano?
There's a sash.
Oh,
There's also cash prize.
okay.
I got a car. I got an electric cart
Ah.
from Wuling.
Wow!
Sobrang saktong timing.
Galing ha. At yung Philippines ha? Yung
Philippines.
sa international, yung sa Thailand, wala din,
Wala.
ha?
Aha.
Wala.
Okay.
I don't know for the winner. But for me, wala. I don't know if naka-NDA din ako. Wala akong alam. Hindi ko alam.
Wait, third runner-up, walang napal...
Binigyan ka ba ng trophy? May trophy ka ba for being third runner-up? Kasi in the past, may
certificate.
trophy. Eh.
Certificate lang na
I don't think
I mean,
we
after
have a
all that effort, don't get
trophy.
anything.
Oh my
Seriously.
God, wala.
Oo.
Kasi dati alam ko may trophy sila. Ewan ko
Kahit
ngayon.
kahit man lang voucher sa hotel or something, mga sponsor, mga ganon.
Wala.
Wala.
You're very discouraging, girl.
Well, do you want me to lie?
No, I mean, why would you join a beauty pageant kung sinasabi natin, supposed to be,
For some.
for
Mm-mm.
some people, they join a pageant
Mm.
for,
Maybe because things are pageantry is fairly different now than how it
Yeah.
was.
or maybe, if you're going, hindi, para lang, we'll put it into context.
Mm.
If you join a beauty pageant, hindi kayo yayaman. Pag sumali kayo ng beauty pageant, pwedeng magbubuka siya ng maraming
Yes.
pintuan
And that's where
na doon ka na rin
Doon.
eventually kikita.
Yes.
yes.
So it is a foot in the door.
yes.
Yes.
But it will not make you rich. So hindi siya yung parang, 'di ba when we were having lunch, sabi mo yung iba sa Miss You may scholarship,
Miss America,
Miss
yeah.
America may
Yeah.
scholarship, 'di ba?
Mm.
Dito walang scholarship.
It's different for
It's
every
different for
country, for
every
every
country, yeah.
organization.
So depende sa Miss World iba rin yung
Mm-mm.
iba din sa Miss World may
Ay, di ko alam.
Hindi ko na alam. In
I
the
don't
past,
know.
what they make, what I remember, what they make aware, sa international, the winner automatically gets $100,000.
wow.
But I don't know now.
Mm.
Mm-mm.
So ang mga sumasali sa mga contest, sa mga beauty contest, they just really love to join. The prize is just a cherry on top. Because technically there is no prize.
There,
It's the prestige, it's the title. Yun ba? Yun ba yung...
Mm,
Ikaw, bakit ka sumali?
which time?
The first one, yung binibini. Yung
Because
second, di yan counted kasi you wanted to prove
Ba-
something.
back then, I grew up in the province.
Hmm.
If I stayed in the province, I wouldn't have the opportunities I have now if I didn't
Agree.
in Pilipinas.
Hmm. But what made you decide, from the province, ay, sasali ako ng binibini.
Mm-mm.
Bakit mo sinabi sa sarili mo na imbis na magpulis ka,
Mm-mm.
layo nun, di ba? Imbis na magpulis ka, sasali ka sa beauty pageant.
I was doing pageants.
Already, because of
Already.
Alio and ano.
Yes. Like from 10 years old, after nung high school ako, sumali ako ng pageants. I used pageantry to support because in the province, when you join these pageants, nananalo ka ng cash prize.
Mm.
So, halimbawa,
Buti
title
pa sa probinsya.
title ka, halimbawa, 15K plus 5K for awards. So, pag nakuha mo yung
diba?
mga awards, that's big
Yeah.
for someone who's gonna earn 0.
Yeah.
So, I would earn...
And lalo na sa probinsya, laki nun ha.
Exactly.
Mm.
So, I used that to help put myself in school.
Ah.
And then I thought that, okay, this is a viable option for
Mhm.
me. And there's still the stage of Binibining Pilipinas, which is the biggest stage
Yeah.
in
Yes.
pageantry. So, that's why I did it.
That's why you aimed for that.
Yes.
Mhm.
Galing. In fairness.
If you din, can you indulge
Mm.
us a bit? How were you discovered? How were you recruited to
Mm.
Binibini? Which
Oh,
opened the doors
May
for you
audition
to
ba yan? At sasabihin mo,
national?
hello, gusto ko sumali sa Binibini. Ganyan ba yun?
In Binibining Pilipinas dati, merong
Scout? Di ba may mga ganyan rin yan?
screening.
Oh.
Mhm.
Binibining Pilipinas had a screening. Okay, before that, back then, Aces and Queens was led by Mama J,
Yes.
Tito Nad, and Mama Ru.
Yes.
And back then, there were only 2 camps na sila yung nagtitrain ng beauty queens para sumali sa pageants, which
Yeah.
was Kagandahang Flores and Aces and Queens. And Aces and Queens had an audition back in 2016, 2015.
Oh, was that,
That-
Dusit?
I'm not sure which. Oh
Okay.
no, this one is in Mercator office.
Okay.
Okay. Before pa pala dyan, medyo maglalang ako magkwento, pabayaan mo.
Oh, go. Pwede ka maging magulo,
nung
sige.
Miss Teen Earth 2014, I joined that.
Mm.
Mama J and Miss Shamsi were guests for that. Meron sila, nagbigay sila ng talk, ganyan. And then, I met Mama J then. And then Mama J told me that, okay, you come back to Aces and Queens, you go back to audition for Binibining Pilipinas when you're of age.
Kasi minor ka pa masyado. nung time.
I was, what,
16 nga eh. Oh.
bagets pa ako nun. And then, I screened for Aces and Queens. And then, after I was in Aces and Queens, that's when I screened for Binibining Pilipinas.
So dun pala yun. Okay.
Hindi naman, kasi parang ang vision ko naman, galing siya sa probinsya. Diba?
Nangangatok. Hello!
Hello, Pilipinas.
Sali ako.
But others yata, di ba, they have provincial scouts. Tapos yun yung naririnig ko. Parang may provincial scouts. Tapos dadalin sila na, parang yun yung may nagkwento sa akin nun dadalin ka either sa Aces or sa KF, parang ganun.
For
Then
screening.
that's when it starts.
Siguro,
Oo,
for
siguro.
other places. For
Oo.
me, I had my Kuya Jojo and Kuya Ace. Sila yung nag-support sa akin ever since sumasali ako ng pageant ng bata pa ako.
Okay.
Sila yung nag-help sa akin, dinrive nila ako para makapunta dun sa Aces and Queens audition.
Oh.
For a lot of pageant girls, we have parang fairy godmothers who help us.
Marami ka nun.
Marami. Super dami.
Marami
And-
kang fairy godmother.
Like, we wouldn't, like, in my case, I wouldn't be where I am today. And I wouldn't have reached this if it weren't for the people who helped me all along the way.
Sino yung mga ibang contestants na nakasabay mo? Kumbaga sa yung kababata mo sa pageant. Yung kumbaga sa kalaro mo sa pageant na yung kasama mo sa Miss Teen na eventually nakasama mo sa ibang mga pageants. Meron ba?
Gazini, I was with her in Aliwan. And April Smith.
What was she
Gazini was
representing?
Miss Sinulog yata. Sinulog.
Cebu.
Mm-mm.
So may tendency talaga na na meron kayong your path somehow cross.
Yes. For
Cross.
Kasi
some.
siya,
Mm.
isang
It's a cycle.
industry.
grupo.
Grupo.
Isang grupo. So may mga ganun, sasabihin mo, huwag ka muna sumali ha, kasi ako muna. Ako muna ha, ako na next year, di ba? Kasi baka matalo. Tapos kinausap mo si Catriona Gray nun. Huwag ka muna sumali this year ha. O sana kinausap ka ni Catriona na, huwag ka sumali, sali ako this year. But you've never met Catriona before the pageant.
No, not before that.
So she has never joined any other pageant other than that you know of. Na nakasabay mo
Oh,
siya.
she did Miss Pearl. Na magkasama
Nakasabay
sila.
ko, hindi.
Hindi. Mhm.
Ah.
But Atisa is in a rare company because she is just one of the few Filipinas who have held 2 national crowns.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Taray!
That's
Oh,
cool. I didn't know that.
Sino pang
Diba
iba?
there's Carlina Aguilar, who was formerly Miss Philippines Earth and then Binibining Pilipinas World. Catriona is, of course, Miss World Philippines and Miss Universe. And then you being a former Miss International and Miss Universe Philippines.
Oh.
That's
So
cool.
those are just the names that I can come up
Lumaki
with.
na ulo na naman yan. Ha?
Mm.
Freedom. Kaya wala ka talagang freedom to be pangit. Okay, tumigil ka na. Dahil dalawa ang title.
You're in a rarefied company.
Mas rare pa pala. Kasi dalawa ang title mo.
Yeah. No, because remember naman, in the Philippines din kasi, for the longest time, it was only like Binibini and
Salang.
yeah. Tapos
Yeah.
all of the titles are there. So it's
Correct.
really bihira. Tapos doon nga lang. Then ngayon lang ulit, nung nagkahiwa-hiwalay na ulit, then that's when it opened the doors for girls like for former Binibini, for former Binibini girls na may title sa Binibini to cross over to another pageant.
So, meron bang mutya?
Yeah. Mm.
Anong international franchise?
I-
Meron ba?
Miss Intercontinental, I think. I'm not sure.
Miss
Mm,
Intercontinental.
mm, mm.
So, yung dalawang prestigious titles.
Yes.
Ay,
Of the
natin.
what's what they say, the original big 3.
Yeah. So, guys, don't forget, May 2. Ay, nag-plug. Parang, ba gusto yung mag-sponsor ng aking podcast? Miss you. Ha? Nagkataon lang naman, nag-lunch.
Oo.
Nag-lunch kami by sheer chance.
Yeah.
Mm-mm.
Tapos sabi ko nga, bakit hindi natin gawin ng podcast to si
Yeah.
Atisa? Tapos
But you-
biglang we discovered Lex
Mm.
by, parang the stars aligned.
Yeah.
To do this podcast right before
Mm.
the coronation.
Yeah.
The
You
coronation.
wanted to ask, with everything that you have gone through,
Mm.
with the heartbreaks and everything, of course, this is all purely pageant speak, okay?
Mm-mm.
What does winning mean to you now? I know it's somewhat of a pageant,
Oo,
pero,
very pageant.
but then again, I guess it can be applied to
Yeah.
day-to-day
Sumagot ka ng
life.
maayos. Pang Miss International and third runner-up Miss You,
Grabe naman yung pressure. Winning to me now means, being happy
Mhm.
with what I'm doing and who I am. It really is that simple now to me.
We have nothing to prove na eh.
You have nothing to prove. You have to be honest, yeah. Mhm.
Kumbaga and for Atisa to, diba, having 2 titles, she should have been satisfied with
With-
one.
And she was
Grabe
also
ka naman.
Pero kasi, talaga siya, achiever siya.
Yeah, and she was first, and like when she went to Miss International, she didn't go home empty-handed. She was first runner-up.
Correct. So,
Mhm.
kumbaga siya, when she puts her mind to it,
Mm.
tapos nung nanalo na siya, sabi niya, okay, nandun na siya sa stage na, I'm in a happy place.
Yeah.
Diba?
I did everything I could na eh.
Mm.
Bata ka pa, ang dami pa pwede
Well,
mangyari.
in
Pa.
that
Oh.
sense.
You know what?
In that
5
sense
years from
only.
now, we will ask you the same question and you're probably going to give a different answer.
Yeah, I like that.
Diba?
Mm.
Mali mo, ang konsepto ng winning iba na.
Mm.
Yeah. Mhm.
Kasi we all evolve eventually.
Yeah.
True.
Siguro, sana mataba ka na nun.
Hoy!
Pero hindi ka pa rin pangit.
Oo.
Hindi ka pa rin pangit. Parang
Di
imposible.
pwede.
Imposible ka.
Hindi, di ba nga sa kaya ang bansang sa
Imposible
kanya,
ka.
pambansang munyika.
Hindi mo yan papangit, ha?
Mm.
Antay na lang natin yung yung wax.
Ay,
magiging
Madame
gagawin ng
Tussauds.
Madame Tussauds. Oh, di ba?
Ah.
That's so nice.
With that jellyfish gown. Ay, ang ganda no.
Eh, mukha naman talaga siyang manika.
True, totoo yun.
Flawless, ha? Oh. So, thank you, Lex and Atisa, for joining us
Thank
in our
you. Thank you for
podcast
having us.
today.
you.
Ang haba ng ating podcast, pero sobrang nakakatuwa. So please, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Breaking Balls with Abby Binay. Thank you! Thank you. At nandito tayo ulit sa ating home court, B Billiard Circuit Makati para sa Breaking Balls with Abby Binay.